guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Starting off by taking the color Jezebel and buffing that out on the outer corner of my eye. I'm doing a circular motion back and forth just to buff that all out. Taking the color Kenya and pressing that onto my outer corner, bringing that to my inner corner. Taking that orange color Morocco and blending that into the color Jezebel, just to make everything a little bit warmer and deeper. Using that eyeshadow base, I am going in and cutting the eye just halfway. Then I'm using this flat brush to take off the excess product. Going in with Egypt first, and then I will be going in with Cleopatra, the blue shade. This eyeshadow is so pigmented, you don't even need to spray the brush before you use it. It just naturally has that foil effect. Then taking a small blending brush just to blend those two colors together. Packing on that color Kenya on the outer corner of my eye just to make the blue and green pop a little bit more. Again, going in with that white NYX base, I'm creating a wing liner. Then on top of that liner, I am taking a color called Nairobi and packing that on top. I decided to frame the liner with a black liner. Then, of course, using the NYX glitter liner, I had to, spice it up with some glitter. Then taking that Egypt color, plopping that under my eye just to bring the look together. I had to spice it up with the Juvia's Place highlighter as well, since I was using their palette in Nefertiti. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the second time me using this, and I freaking love it. It's very out there, but it's very subtle when you blend it out. I feel like it's so finely milled, like it's so soft and smooth. It's just perfect. So we can't forget about the lips, you guys. We're doing the NYX Lingerie and the Morphe lip gloss for our lip combo today. I did decide to wear a wig today, and her name is Sasha. She's a really curly and spunky wig by Vivica Fox. I really turn into somebody else when I wear her. So when I first got her, I did shape her up and framed her to my face. I just go in and kind of like put the curls wherever I want them. And fluff her up a bit, and she's good to go. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. Hopefully more creative looks coming your way, so stay tuned. If you like this look, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. But thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.